Drop sets are actually the most optimal thing na pwede mong gawin if ang goal mo is to maximize fatigue without any added benefit sa muscle gain. And kung isa ka sa mga taong mahiling mag-drop sets, explain ko kung bakit. Welcome sa second episode ng Brospiracy, kung saan expose natin ang mga popular fitness myths and the dumb stuff your gym bro swears by. So kung ikaw yung mahilig mag-drop set after bawat set or gumagawa ng forced rep para mas intense, walang benefit yon sa muscle hypertrophy. And much more worse is napagod ka lang para sa wala at mas tatagal lang yung recovery mo. Kasi kailangan mo maintindihan that task failure is the only kind of failure. Doing partial reps, drop sets, or assisted reps doesn't mean na lumagpas ka sa failure. Kasi failure happens kapag na-reach mo na yung maximum tolerable perception of effort mo. And pag na-hit mo na yung point na yon, yung body mo, hindi na siya makakapag-recruit ng more motor units. Hindi dahil mahina ka, pero yung central motor command mo is maxed out. And para makapag-send ka ng more signal, kailangan mo ng more effort. Pero, ubos ka na. Kasi nga, at that point, na-reach mo na yung maximum perceivable effort mo. So kahit mag-drop set ka, you're just moving less weight for the same effort. Same level of fatigue, pero mas mababa yung stimulus, which is hindi efficient or productive para sa muscle gain. Kasi you're doing more work in a state of reduced motor unit recruitment, which is yung opposite ng kailangan natin for gains. Kasi ang gusto natin is higher motor unit recruitment. Kasi the higher the motor unit recruitment, the more fast-twitch muscle fibers get activated. And sila yung may pinakamalaking potential for hypertrophy. Yun ang goal natin sa training, ma-activate ang mga muscle fibers na talagang responsible sa muscle growth. And na-activate mo lang yung mga yun pag nagda-train ka close to failure. Kaya kung gusto mo talaga ng growth, just stick to normal straight sets na nasa 0 to 2 RIR. Kasi tandaan mo, mechanical tension is the only driver for muscle growth. Hindi yung dami ng reps mo, hindi yung burning sensation or your soreness, at lalo na hindi yung pagod na nararamdaman mo. Kaya next time na may gym bro na magyayaya sa'yo ng drop set para mas solid, sabihin mo na lang, Brospiracy yan.